quaint village nestled between green hills lived a humble farmer named Bilal. He was known for his hard work and unwavering faith in Allah. Despite facing many challenges in his farming, he always believed that his sustenance, or rizq, came from Allah alone. One day, after a particularly rough season, he found himself at a crossroads. After months of relentless toil, Bilal stood in his fields, looking at the parched earth. The drought had taken its toll, and his crops were failing. Bilal sighed, thinking,
"What will I do now? How will I feed my family?"
Despite his worries, he remembered the teachings of the Quraan. And whoever fears Allah, He will make for him a way out and will provide for him from where he does not expect. Surah At-Talaq 65. Determined to keep his faith, Bilal knelt in prayer, asking Allah for guidance and sustenance. The next day, as Bilal worked in his fields, he noticed a stranger approaching. The man looked weary but kind, and he asked,
"Can you spare some water?"
Bilal quickly offered the man a drink and invited him to rest under the shade of a tree. As they talked, Bilal shared his troubles.
"My crops have failed, and I don't know how I will provide for my family."
The stranger listened intently, then replied,
"Sometimes help comes from unexpected places. Have you thought about asking your neighbors for help?"
Encouraged by the stranger's words, Bilal decided to visit his neighbors that evening. That night, Bilal gathered his neighbors and shared his plight. To his surprise, they were eager to help. Each family brought food, seeds, and resources to support Bilal and his family. Bilal felt overwhelmed with gratitude and realized that his rizq was indeed flowing from Allah through the generosity of his community. As the weeks passed, with the help of his neighbors, Bilal was able to plant new crops. He watched in awe as they flourished, providing food not only for his family, but also for those who had supported him. In time, Bilal understood the true meaning of sustenance.
Rizq is not just what we earn through our hard work. It comes in many forms through our faith, our community, and the mercy of Allah.
Through his challenges, Bilal learned that rizq is a gift from Allah, often arriving through the kindness of others. His